Hi guys, so today I'm going to be making a, I guess a vegetable omelet. You could pretty much put anything in this omelet if you want to put some hot sauce and stuff, but it's just a basic, no meat, no bacon. You could probably call it vegetarian. I'm not a vegetarian, so I guess eggs would probably be out of that. It's a healthy omelet anyway. I mean, like I said, there's no meat and stuff in it, and you get your protein from your eggs. So what I like to do is cook my onions first with my celery and my bell peppers, and then just put everything else in the end, and you'll see what I mean. So let's start out by turning on our pans. We're going to put some, okay, let's get our eggs started. You know, if you ever break an egg and you have a piece in there that you need to get out, if you try and get it with your fingers, as you know, it's really hard to get. But if you use the eggshell and scoop it up, it comes out really easy. Don't ask me how it works, but it does. Okay, what we want is the eggs scrambled a lot. You can tell when it gets real runny. There you go. Okay, let's go ahead and put we're going to turn this down to like medium. We're going to put our onions in, our celery, our bell peppers, and you don't need much, just about a drop or two of this vegetarian Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. We're not cooking them too much, we're just, you know, getting them warmed up. Okay, now let's get some butter for our eggs. And just get the heat up on that. So you want like a medium-high heat here. Give me a little more butter. You can never have too much butter. Okay. And these look like they're just about done. Go ahead and put our egg in there. Okay, we're just going to move the egg around so you don't want to turn it into scrambled eggs. You just want it mostly to cook where you see it, where it's still wet. Just kind of poke a hole and it'll work its way through. Okay, now these look great. Let's go ahead and pour it all in there. Doesn't it look beautiful? Turn that off. Now the reason why I do the tomatoes last is I like my tomatoes fresh. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? And then what I do is I put just a little bit of cheese right now, so it'll all kind of work together. You can see it's cooking here. See, it's pretty much ready to go. Then I'm going to put my spinach in there. Look at that. Does that look healthy? Okay, and then our cheese. Look at that. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to plate it. I hope you can see this. Just kind of follow the circle here and just slowly, and then once you get about halfway, start moving forward. I'm doing it real slow. Turn your pan, notice how I'm turning it over at the same time. Forward, forward, forward. And there you go. And that's the butter. Doesn't that look tasty?